Hi Jay. Today in this video, I will show you the steps in dusting the guest room.
That is great. I will learn how to do dusting in a guest room today. Hello. This is my first day in housekeeping. I have trained in kitchen and front office department in a hotel. Now I am in housekeeping. If you are interested in a career in a hotel, subscribe to this channel to learn along with me.
After we have finished all the cleaning task in the guest room, the final step is to dust the room properly. First we will identify the area that needs dusting. In a guest room, it is simple. All surfaces need to be dusted to remove dust and lint. Take a cloth and sprinkle some water on it to make it damp. That will help the cloth to collect the fine dust. You must start the dusting in a clockwise manner from the entrance of the room till you reach the door once again. This will ensure you do not miss any area of the room.
And is there any particular method that I have to follow?
Yes, you must remember to do the high dusting first. Since dust will fall from the top to lower surfaces, always do the high dusting first and then the low dusting. Use a separate cloth for cleaning glass. That duster must not leave any lint behind. You have done this task well. Before you leave the room, you must inspect the area to see if any lint is left behind on the surface. In case it is an occupied room, you must return the guest items back where it was placed, without disturbing the arrangement. However, you can tidy the place. Depending on the size of the room, you will need around 4 to 5 minutes to finish the dusting. In case you find any engineering issues that need attention, let the engineering team know about it.
Thank you for teaching me how to do this task properly. What about you? Did you learn how to dust the guest room? In case you have still not subscribed to this quick tutorials, click the subscribe button. That way, you will get notifications and not miss any episode.
Also, before you go, do remember to watch other videos about housekeeping from the playlist. And if you wish to learn about other departments, do see links in the description box below. This channel is produced by clarifiedbetter.com.